Hello everybody, Rog here. Well, I just love shortbread biscuits, and these ones are so easy to make. Just 3 ingredients, that's right, only 3 ingredients. We need some flour. I've got 150 grams of plain flour. Also we're going to need some butter. I've got 100 grams here, it's chilled and cubed, and also we need 50 grams of caster sugar. And then we're going to take a mixing bowl, and this is my favourite for biscuits. In we go with the flour and the sugar and our cubed butter. Remember, this has been chilled in the fridge. Then we're going to start mixing. I'm going to use my hands, but it's quite easy to use a food processor if you wish. Speeds things up a lot and still does the same job. You're going to mix it until it's nice and crumbly, and you've got a real dough that looks just like this. Onto a board, I go with some flour so it doesn't stick. Sprinkle that on. Then we go on with our dough. Little bit of flour over the top, just so the rolling pin doesn't stick on the top. And we're going to roll this out. We want it rolled out to about 1/4 of an inch, perhaps a bit less. It depends on you really, how thick you like your biscuits. I like mine sort of reasonably thick, if you like. So there we go, we carry on and we roll that out until it looks like this. Then I'm going to take my favourite pastry cutter and I'm going to cut out the biscuits. Carefully does it. Now these odd scraps that you're left over with, obviously you can bunch them up, re-roll them and make more biscuits. I mean, we don't want any waste now, do we? So there's a nice neat square to start off with. We're going to cut them into our biscuit sizes like this. Then we're going to give them a little sprinkling of caster sugar over the top, as if they're not sweet enough already. But I do like my biscuits nice and sweet. I don't know about you guys. So we've done that, and then we do a little fancy bit. Just take an ordinary fork that you choose to eat your dinner with, and we're going to make some little indentations over the top. Now that's starting to make them look like real proper biscuits. So when that's done, we're going to move on to the next step. We're going to take them off very carefully, and I'm going to put them onto a baking sheet of paper that's on a baking tin ready for the oven. So we're going to put them all on there, space them out so they're not touching. Then it's off we go to the oven. Gas mark 3 for 20 or 25 minutes until they're crisp and golden brown, and they look just like this. Wow, boy, they're good. So I guess it's time for my famous taste test. We'll take this big one on the top. And this is really so tasty. It's crispy, it's golden, and it is a real proper biscuit. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye for now.